When finances get tough and you need access to credit, which comes in the form credit cards and Texas payday loans, emergency situations don't have time to wait for traditional bank loans or lenders. They often take their time running your credit and making you wait for approval. If you need fast cash and don't have a lot of time to spare, don't make financial decisions in haste. Take some time to consider the advantages and disadvantages of how you will acquire the money you need and then decide which financial route you will take. The first thing you need to consider is whether or not you have a credit card, and if so, does it even have any available credit? If the answer to either question is no, then this is not an option for your particular situation. If you are thinking about applying for a credit card to help you deal with your financial fix, keep in mind that it could take weeks to get approved and get your card in the mail. The financial emergency may not be able to afford that much waiting. Even so, you may not get approved for the amount you need, putting yourself back at square one with your cash crunch. With an overnight payday loan with Approved Money Center, you can apply online in minutes and get approved the same day. Your money will then be deposited directly into your bank account on the following business day. No waiting, no check cashing, no driving around town. You need also consider that when you use a credit card, it may end up taking months to pay it off, which will cost you a lot more than you needed in the first place. Interest charges can really add up, and if you are late on your payments, you will be charged a substantial late fee as well. Payday loans are meant to be utilized for short-term and temporary financial times, paying them off when you get your next paycheck. You will still be charged a fee for being able to borrow, but once you pay off your initial loan amount and fees, you will be free and clear of your payday loan debt. In the event that you can't pay off your loan in full, most lenders will work with you. In the event that you have enough credit available on your credit card, make sure you can use that card for your emergency bill. Some auto mechanics require that you pay cash for repairs. Certain vendors don't take plastic credit because credit card companies charge business by usage fees. There are other circumstances that may call for cash. While you most likely can take a cash advance on your credit card, be mindful that you will pay an even higher interest rate on the money you borrow, as well as any fees that may be charged for a cash advance transaction on your credit card. The payday loan lender will never charge you more because you need the cash quickly, nor should any lender ever ask you for any money up front in the form of fee or an application charge. Take a moment to work the numbers and figure out just how much it will cost you to borrow these two ways, a short-term payday loan or a credit card cash advance. Which one will you be most likely to pay off sooner? Which one will cost you more? Figure that out first and then make your decision. While you may have a much lower interest rate on your credit card, you must be realistic about how long it will take to pay it off. If what you charge ends up being long-term debt, you can bet you're going to pay quite a bit over the duration. If you can't pay it off before the end of the billing cycle, you most likely won't pay anything in interest charges or fees, except if you are charged for taking out a cash advance with your credit card. With a loan from a payday lender, you will be expected to pay back what you borrow within a couple weeks depending on your pay cycle. You are free and clear once you pay off your lender. Only you know your budget's potential to pay back what you borrow. That goes for your financial tendencies as well. It's best to consider how you deal with your finances and how disciplined you will be in paying back a credit card cash advance or fast cash payday loans.